Marius, welcome to the Leanpub launch video for the Off-Grid Mindset, a modern survival and self-reliance handbook. I was wondering if you could take a moment just to talk to us a little bit about yourself and about your book and what it's about and who it's for.
Yeah, so I am Marius from Transylvania. I am a digital creator, automation enthusiast, and retired army engineer. So my book, The Off-Grid Mindset, it's about empowering people to take control. My army career taught me the importance of being ready, and my digital career taught me how to systemize the knowledge for this.
One thing I really like about your book is that you start with talking about self-reliance, cultivating the resilient mind, and
Yes.
family and community, building your human network. I think a lot of people opening a book like this would expect to see how to install solar panels or your bug out bag first. But instead, you start with yourself and then you start with the people around you. Is that something that you learned in the army?
Yes, and I applied this in my book. The title was deliberate, because the off-grid mindset is not just about physical skills. It's first about cultivating the productive and resilient attitude. This is my opinion. My army experience told me that the right mindset is the first step to overcoming any challenge we may have and to protect our families, no matter what.
One question I have about that is, how does one psychologically deal with failure? Say you're in an emergency situation and you do something wrong. How do you move past it instead of dwelling on feeling bad about what just happened?
Yeah, I think it's about being calm and try to uh, solve everything to be good for your family and for people around you, because that's why I'm talking about the community.
Yes, I see. That's a very good point. When you don't think about yourself and your failure, keep in mind the responsibilities that you have to the people around you and what's next. Um,
Yes.
that's very good. Um,
Yeah.
uh, and just to give an example of some specific advice, um, what advice do you have for someone who's thinking of preparing a bug out bag?
uh as I write in my book, it's about doing small steps and practical things to have everything prepared beforehand.
And making sure I have a sort of bad bug out bag, and it's way too heavy because there's way too many things, and I know this.
Yeah.
What's the biggest mistake you think people make in their bug out bag? Like I have a tent, for example.
Yeah, it should be easy to carry out. So should write the book to see how we should do it, because it's a step-by-step process and preparing beforehand.
Right, right, and you have interesting comments you make about one should walk the path of your neighborhood or route every once in a while to see is there an obstacle, has something changed, things like that. So it's not just the advice you give is not just here's a checklist, prepare once and you're done.
Yeah,
It's sort of just make it a part of the pattern of your life to sort of prepare
exactly.
on occasion.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
much more than that.
Yeah, I really like the book. It's really good. It's called The Off-Grid Mindset, a modern survival and self-reliance handbook, your step-by-step guide to resilient solar power, clean water, safe food, and security for your family. So thank you very much, Marius, for being on this Leanpub launch video.
Thank you, Len, for giving this opportunity to present my work, and for the Leanpub platform.
Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it.
I really appreciate you.